serial dilution is a stepwise series of dilutions performed to reduce concentration of a solution. Dilution reduces concentration by adding diluent to a solution. There are two components to serial dilutions: tube dilution and final dilution. Tube dilution is a dilution factor in a single tube during a serial dilution. It is calculated by dividing the volume sample with the total volume. Final dilution refers to the overall dilution achieved after transferring samples through multiple tubes. It is calculated by multiplying the tube dilutions of each tube.
Let's look at a twofold serial dilution. To calculate the tube dilution, we take the volume of a sample, 50 milliliters, and divide by the total volume, 100 milliliters, and get 1/2 as our tube dilution. To calculate the final dilution for each tube, we just multiply the tube dilution of each tube together. Now let's look at a threefold serial dilution. To calculate the tube dilution, we'll take the volume of the sample, 50 milliliters, and divide by the total volume, 150 milliliters, and get 1/3 as our tube dilution. Then to calculate the final dilution for each tube, we just multiply the tube dilution of each tube together. Now let's take a look at a 10-fold serial dilution in real life.
Let's try out a couple examples.
Let's say we have a 20-fold dilution with 4 test tubes. What would the final dilution of test tube 4 be? Pause now. 1/160,000. Great job. Let's try one a little harder now. If the molarity of the stock solution was 3, then the concentration of tube 4 must be 3 times 10 to the negative 4, which we get by multiplying the concentration by the final dilution. Certain problems might require this formula, where M equals concentration and V equals volume. Let's say we have a solution of 0.4 molar nitric acid. What volume of the solution would you use to make 100 milliliters of 0.35 molar solution? You would need 87.5 milliliters.
Thanks
for watching.